Hello. Today I'm going to try to teach you how to play the game Credits Debits. And it's similar to adding and subtracting positive and negative numbers that we did the other day, but this game kind of goes along with that. So what you're going to do is you're going to need a complete deck of everyday math cards, and you need 2 players. And the object of the game, of course, is to have more money than your opponent by the time that you get finished. So each of you will pretend that you are an accountant for a business. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to shuffle the cards and you're going to lay them number side down, which I've already shuffled these. And so I'm going to lay them number side down. And then you're going to draw a card when it's your turn. So if you get a card like this, which the number is blue, blue numbers are going to be debits, and black numbers, let's see if I can find, yep, here's a black number. A black number will be a credit. Now remember, if we have a credit, we're going to add. If we have a debit, we're going to subtract. So each player is going to begin the game with $10. So I know this may be hard to see. I tried to get the camera as close as I could, but this game sheet is not very large. But you'll have 3 columns. One is your start column, one is your change column, and the last one is your end and your next start column. So this is very similar to the lesson that I did on adding positive and negative numbers. At the very top of the sheet, let's scoot that down, we have a number line which has negative and positive numbers, so that may help you as you're trying to record your numbers and figure out how much money that you have. So the way this will work is each player will take a turn. You're going to draw a card. So if I drew this card, which is a 5, I'm going to say to the person that I'm playing with, $5, and since it's blue, it's going to be a debit. So what you'll do is you'll write down minus $5 on your sheet, and then you started with $10, so $10 minus $5 is going to leave you with $5. Okay, and then what you'll do, just like we did in the last lesson on positive and negative numbers, I'm going to take this ending number, it's going to become my start number for my second turn when I get my second turn. So I'm going to put that $5 right here, and then it would be player 2's turn to draw a card. So they would draw their card, which happens to be a black card. So they're going to say $9, and they're going to say credit. So that means they get to add $9 to their balance. So where it says change, I'm going to put a plus $9, and $9 plus $10 is going to give them 19. And they're going to bring that 19 over to the row 2 for the second round when it's their turn. And so now it would be first player's turn again, and they would draw a card. Boy, this person's not very lucky. They keep getting blue. So they're going to say $7 debit, so they're going to subtract $7. And now we're going to have a negative $2 as our balance. And so they'll carry that down to row 3. And they'll be ready for their next turn, and it'll be player 2's turn. So player 2 will draw a card. This is a black card. So they're going to say $2 credit, which means they're going to add $2 to their 19. Which is going to give them $21. Okay, So you'll continue to play and keep taking turns drawing cards. And luckily, the first player finally has a black card. So they're going to say $8 credit. So they're going to add that to their $2. And now they have, whoops, that was supposed to be a negative there, I forgot. -2 plus 8 is going to give them $6. So now we're back in the positive. And player 2 needs to bring down their $21. And they will draw a card. And boy, they're lucky. They got another black card. So they're going to say $8 credit. So that means they're going to add $8 to their 21, which gives them $29. So you'll continue playing. You're actually going to play 10 rounds. So when you get to the bottom of your record sheet for your game, and then the player with the most money wins the game. So it's fairly simple as long as you remember which number to add and which number to subtract. So remember, black you're going to add, that's a credit, and blue or red, if you happen to have red cards, which I don't think I have any, but those will be debits and you will subtract those. So just remember, if you forget the directions, you can look them up in your SRB for credits and debits. I'll see you in class.